Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Injury to ship turbines installations could be a catastrophic accident. About turbines in installation vessels, similar to a jackup ride. TIVs are self-elevating and self-propelling so that they can be quickly moved within and offshore with wind farms. Modern TIVs also have cylinder straps built to promote quick turnaround times. Specialized marine propellers called azimuth thrusters are used to co-locate the vessel during construction operation. And then, when accidents occur on board turbines installation vessels, the injuries involved can be catastrophic. The IVS tends to be large vessels and crew members may be at risk for falls, equipment accidents, drowning, or other injuries. If this has happened to you or a loved one, the maritime accident lawyers. We have extensive experience helping injured maritime workers to obtain the maximum available compensation for their injuries and other losses. The IVS are also sometimes used for other offshore purposes than those for which they were specifically designed, such as installations of tidal current turbines, wave energy generators, and oil and gas infrastructures, when TIVs are used for purposes for which they are not designed. Improper procedures and unclear instructions may also lead to crew injuries. If you have been injured while working on other points installation vessels, you may have options for pursuing compensation under federal maritime or Texas personal injury laws. Through a personal injury case, you may be able to obtain compensation for your past and futures. Medical costs, loss of earnings capacity, physical pain, physical limitations, disfigurement, mental injustice, and then risk of turbines in installation vessels. Because of the presence of large, heavy equipment and the inherently risk natural or maritime work, people who work on turbines installation vessels are exposed to a number of potential dangers and equipment-related injuries. Some of the hazards of working on a TIV may include structures, loads, or objects falling during living operations, falls from height, mechanical risk, such as connect with moving mechanical components, electrical hazard including burns, fires, and electronic uses, short circuits, electronics risk, or fall resulting from electrical shocks. Fire or explosions of the turbines or misses of combustible materials, improper manual handling of heavy turbines components, fatigue resulting from combining ladders, working in confined spaces, or psychological effects caused by heavy lifting and repetitive tasks. Working with dangerous substances in confined space, environmental effects including exposure to winds, waves, currents, or lightning, time-related resource, and all other organizational hazard. Different actors or companions who are all involved in the same operations but not working together safely. Exposure to noise and vibrations. Ship colliding, striking other objects, or crew members falling overboard. Next, common turbines installations vessel injuries. The many risks involved in working on a turbines installation vessel mean that when something goes wrong, workers can suffer a variety of injuries. Common types of injuries sustained in turbines installation vessels accidents include amputated limb, mild, moderate, or severe traumatic brain injuries, back or spinal cord injuries, partial or complete paralysis, torn ligaments. Next, husband basket transfer accident lawyer. A common piece of equipment used on oil drilling and offshore exploration platform is specialized port known as personal baskets or peeling baskets. This piece of equipment is used to transport employees to and from their work platforms. Because of the complexity of the equipment and the conditions in which basket transfer are performed, workers being transported this way often may be injured. If this has happened to you or a loved one, the maritime accidents lawyers. Next, injuries incurred during basket transfer operations. When a basket transfer is performed incorrectly or when the basket mechanism is not in safe working order, it can lead to accidents that cause melt to safe.